the comment section if you can see me, so I know to continue talking and not just chatting to myself. But right now the market is going down quite significantly, so we need to discuss exactly what is going on so you lot can be fully up to date. Now, I think I know why this is happening. There is mass panic going on again in the market, so we're going to discuss that. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy here. I am here with my coffee, and I'm just waiting for the flight now. So please let me know in the comment section if you guys can see me. Smash up the like button for the live as well. I know some of you guys like these lives and I want to continue doing them, so please let me know that you like them by smashing the like button. With that said, guys, let's jump into it. So what I'm seeing on Twitter right now is Mt. Gox, right? We spoke about Mt. Gox recently moving about $3 billion, 2.25 billion, sorry. They moved this in July 31, so that was yesterday. They moved that, and now if we take a look at the Arkham wallet, right, we got Arkham Intelligence here. Mt. Gox now only hold $2 billion. Now, I think they actually moved to some other wallet. So there are some misleading tweets out there, I think, I'm not 100% sure, but some misleading tweets out there that are saying that basically Mt. Gox is almost finished with their selling or their distribution. I think maybe they have some other wallets, but I do think it's a very good thing that we're seeing here. Look at this. They did have up here $9 billion, $9 million worth of Bitcoin, right? $9 billion. And now look at us. Look at this right now. So while everyone is panicking, yes, fair enough. Maybe there is reason to panic in the moment. But look, we're at 2.1 billion. So the market, right? The market right now is going down because there's probably mass selling happening on the market, right? Look at this. They moved this yesterday, right here. They moved more. People might just be selling. Now, I'm not sure if this is exactly the reason, but guys, what we know, technically, right? We had a double top formation. Very clear double top formation that we were looking at on the channel, right? Here, double, boom, boom. Hit our resistance. Then what do we have? We have a scary pullback. We have people most likely going long right there, or going long right there at the neckline, wherever you might want to call that. But the manipulators can see this. They can see these trades happening on the market, right? And they don't want people to make money. So what can they do? We see the double top. We push the market. We know that Mt. Gox is about to sell. This is going to create panic on the market. Then we push lower than this line here. That's going to be the line where a lot of people's stop losses are. We push lower than that to liquidate as many people on the market as possible and make as much money on the market as possible. On top of that, another technical thing we've been looking at is our bull flag. The bull flag has been here, right? We've been talking about this on the channel. We know that we can go as low as all the way down here. Bull flag. Is it really that simple? Short the top, long, take profits and short, long, take profits and short. Is it that simple? I didn't open a short this time round, but let me know in the chat right now if you open a short. I'm very interested to see if you got any profits here, right? But what we have going on now is our pullback. Maybe we found support though. Look at where we are right now. Bang on what was a resistance. Now, is it potentially support? 62,700. Could it be support? So we have a reason why the market is going down. Mt. Gox either selling and actually creating sell pressure on the market, or distributing and people are selling, or it's just the news that is scaring the market, right? News may be just scaring the market. They might not be selling, but hopefully they are selling. We want to get rid of this. We want to get rid of all of the fear, uncertainty, and doubt around Mt. Gox. The next thing will obviously be the US government is now selling, or whoever's now selling. But guys, remember, in moments like this, we need to make the most of them. We need to take the opportunity to make profits and understand that selling an asset and people getting scared doesn't make the asset any less valuable to us, right? Yes, the price is going to go down, meaning we can get more Bitcoin for what we could have bought it for yesterday. So does it really matter? This is what I'm seeing, right? So the Mt. Gox news seems to be the reason. Mt. Gox fueling selling, panic, fear, hitting stop losses, creating liquidations. There is one thing though that is very nice. This is something that I definitely want to be seeing. If you've been following my channel for the last few months, you know that I look at this and it tells me what is going on in the market. What does it tell me? It tells me that traders are either going long or going short. We can see here right now, accumulative short liquidations, right? Short liquidation. We are now back in almost even, right? This is what we want to see. This is okay. We actually would like to see more and more shorts come into the market instead of longs. When we see the longs in the market, when we see a lot of them, right? When we see a lot of accumulative long liquidations, it means that most of the market is going long. Therefore, they're normally wrong, right? The most of the market is normally wrong. We normally come down. So a few days ago, I said to you on the channel, we saw this and it was down here. There was barely any shorts in the market because everyone got way too bullish, way too quickly. Now, the shorts are starting to come in. All right, so we may see a shift. The shorts are coming in, like we spoke about in today's video. Here, the shorts are coming in support. They're not coming in at resistance. They're coming in at support because retail, not you and me, but most of retail and the majority of the market is normally wrong, right? What we should be doing is looking at things, simple TA and simple fundamental analysis. Simple TA tells us this was the bottom, this was the short-term top, right? Short here if you're gonna short, long here if you're gonna long. Maybe at this point, it's a scary but a potential for a long position, or you just wait until we get down here, or you wait until the market relaxes. Let's take a look at Solana. I told you this morning, this is what I'm watching. It's now broken the top of our wedge. So I am hopefully waiting for exactly this to hold as a support, right? Exactly there to hold as a support. This could be a great opportunity for a long position if you have the balls. Putting a stop below this support could be a great opportunity, but of course we could just get wicked out and we could come all the way down to these lows. You can see I opened up this Solana long at $124. And what's key, guys, is look, let me show you. Solana, right? This is it. We got $4,700 left in this long. If you remember, when I opened that long, we opened it with $100,000. And throughout this whole period here, we were taking profits. There are too many people who think you should just be holding for the long term. You just diamond hands everything. That's not how I do it. I don't think that's the right way to do it. I think that taking profits along the way protects you from these sorts of pullbacks, and it means you have cash right now to actually jump in if you want to take the risk, right? I actually did, like I said in this morning's video, take a risk on Solana, and I've opened the position, and hopefully we start to bounce. I've got a position open on Solana at around 157.9 is the average now. I'm averaging into this position to make money from it. Now, I do tell everyone about my trades in here. Let me just open up my Patreon so you guys can have a seat. So we can see here, risky long trade between 157 and 167 could be a retest from our wedge, right? Of our wedge. That's what I opened, and I opened that trade. We can see here, just yesterday, I opened this position in a meme coin. We did a 2x, so we can secure our profit from that. And look at this, guys, 250%. We got a meme coin here that I posted when it was in its pump fun. So we got in its pump fun, and we got between. Look, I posted again at a 600k market cap, so just after. And if you do want to see what I'm doing, there's a link to my Patreon down there. You'll get everything, all of my positions every single day in the VIP chat. We have loads. If you do want to come and check it out, there's a link down there in the description. There's a few different options, and yeah, I'd love to see you guys over there. And please continue to smash the like button if you are enjoying this live. It lets me know that you appreciate me going live. It's something very new for me. I haven't gone live on this channel since the last bull run, and now I do think that we're building an awesome community. So I want to do lives just to chat to you guys. So smash up the like button if you appreciate it, and leave me a comment, because I'm going to go through these comments. Now I have a plane to catch, so I have about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes left. So please leave as many questions as you can, and I'll go through them in a second. Now we have Solana 59.8. The trade's doing all right. Very tight stop loss. If it gets hit, we can wait again, and then we can wait until we head down into our resistance, into our support. Sorry, my support sitting here at 148 to 156, and then all the way down here is another opportunity. But I'm hoping that this holds. I think that this fear, uncertainty is going to blow over. I don't think that anything that bad has happened. I think we're in probably one of the most bullish times of crypto and Bitcoin ever. And altcoins are probably going to continue to get wrecked as Bitcoin heads down, because that's how it goes until we head into an altcoin season we're going to have to understand that our altcoin bags are going to be like that. Meme coins, however, still have great opportunity. Tomorrow we'll be posting a video of a project that I do think has huge opportunity in this space. So smash that subscribe button if you want to see that. I'm just going to take a sip of the old coffee.
Sup everyone?
What do you think we should do? Market's crashing, what would you do?
Hold.
Hold the line.
Hold the line, don't stress.
Are you panicking? Have you even looked at your portfolio?
What's the point in looking? What's the point in stressing myself out?
There you go.
Just, you win some, you lose some.
Alright, for some minute. Alright, wait, let me check what's happening in the broader market overall. What have we got? We got Bitcoin down, what? 5%, 6% for Ethereum, 11% for Solana, 10% for XRP, 10% for Dogecoin. These are the opportunities in the market that we have to see. So if you have coins that you've wanted to buy, today is the opportunity. Like I say, always say, Bitcoin is my #1 conviction. I'm always going to be buying it in bloody markets. It's much better to buy it when the market is scared than when the market is euphoric. Same with Ethereum, Solana. Those are my tops. And then I have some other altcoins that I buy. I am relatively, not bearish, but erring on the side of a caution for altcoins right now, because there's just no point. We can wait until we see a big move. We'll see a shift in the market and then we can start getting heavy on altcoins again. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, we can trade them. I'm trading them with leverage, because if 10x leverage, you got basically the similar moves that you get on an altcoin anyway. So we can make some serious cash there. Then when the market is ready for us, we pounce into action and we start buying the altcoins, which we will be doing. So again, smash the subscribe button. I think that is everything for what I want to talk about. Greed and fear will hopefully reset. Yes, we're going into neutral now. I reckon we're going to go into fear if we do last for another couple of days, and then that is where the opportunities really rise. Remember, every other time, guys, every time we see this panic in the market, it shows us opportunity, even if it's just short-term trading. Panic in the market, long. Panic in the market, long. And you just take profits as you go up. It's that simple, and then you can use those profits to buy Bitcoin. Now, of course, trading with leverage is not simple. It's something that you need to understand the risks involved, but great stuff happening in the market for me. I think it's good stuff going forward. Now, I'm going to answer a few questions before we jump off the live. Time to stack some Bitcoin. Rakesh B, I agree. Printing money, Shawshank 64. Josh Lab just shorted $400 profit in 5 minutes. Very nice. Grayscale Holdings went down almost 30,000 Bitcoin yesterday. Dave Cowan. From what I understand, that was money going into their mini Bitcoin trust, which has the lowest fees on the market. So they're idiots. They let everyone leave. They lost like $20 billion. And now they're trying to get that back by making a smaller trust and then having the lowest fees on the market. That's what they're trying to do. They're all master manipulators and yeah, don't appreciate it. Archie Sterling, are we expected to bounce on the short term at all? Right now we are on the support, right? Right now we have started to bounce off that support, sitting at about 63,100, and we'll have to wait to see what happens here. Of course, there's very little action between that, right? Maybe we could see support at 60,000. Once we lose 60,000, anywhere between 53 and 60 is what I'd be watching for Bitcoin. Slowly accumulating in these sorts of environments is what I think is the best opportunity. It's just a market panic, like always. Yep, I agree. Definitely just a market panic. Too many going short to make quick money, forcing us below. I don't actually think that that's the case, because shorting the market doesn't necessarily push the market down. It's more people getting scared and panicking and selling, and then those shorts, they make some money, but it's actually the other way around. If there's a lot of long positions at a certain point, that's when people force the market down. Manipulators force the market down because that's where the money is. But it does play a part. Of course, the short-term speculation plays a part. It makes the market more volatile, but it also gives us opportunity. Colorblind, what site am I using? Many different sites. CoinMarketCap, CoinGlass, CoinGecko, Arkham. There's loads. Join the Patreon and then ask the question, and the guys in there are gonna give you all the information. Short-term bounce price target right now, 63,000 is what I'm hoping is gonna hold. Lone Wolf, yes, buy the dip opportunity. I agree, man. Just, we don't know how low this is going to go, but if you're buying when the market is panicked, you're going to be better off than if you're buying when the market is euphoric. Market getting ready for a rate cut. How much longer would anyone hold a short right now? Archie, if I was in a short right now, I probably would have, it depends on where I got in, probably would have taken a little bit of profits, and then what you can do is you can set a stop loss. 90% of the profit gets closed maybe above. You can see if we start to shift now and we start to make it up, maybe above like 63.7 or something like that. So that way, if we do go up, exactly what's going to happen if we lose certain levels. It's just not the case, right? We don't know what's going to happen. We may very well lose the 63 and we may just bounce right back up the next day. But if we do lose it, it's more likely that we head down. Archie, you're welcome, man. Thank you for checking in. I appreciate it. Buy more. Andrew likes H-bar, it sees. What do you think about... I don't know what that is. What do I think about XRP, Mohammed? I just hold it in my portfolio, hoping one day it goes back to the old all-time high and I get a 6x. Eric, you're overexposed. I mean, yeah, we're very overexposed. Everyone's overexposed, I would say, but just make sure when we have bounces, you take profits. Goran, you got Bitcoin from Mt. Gox. That's awesome, and you didn't sell. This is the thing. I don't think that everyone is gonna sell. I think it's more panic and the news that makes people fearful rather than actually the selling itself. Cutest girls, it's not at 63. I mean, it is 63,200. I've got the chart open. What do I do? What to do? Wait, man. If you haven't done anything, you can. If you want, buy the dip in whatever it is you want to buy. I'm not telling you what to buy. Or do nothing. Just chill. Chris, the sentiment has been crushed. Yep, it has been crushed. One last dip before the bull. BlackRock manipulation. It's time now. I agree. And greedy leverage people. Yes, exactly. People get over leveraged. BlackRock, the exchanges, all of this can see that. They push people to their stop losses. This causes more mass selling, which creates more mass panic, which pushes the market down even more. And then what? The whales buy. It's pretty simple. Get your haircut. Shadow. Get your haircut.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got to wear a hairband sometimes because I'm too lazy to do it. How long do you think the panic will last? It seems to be because of the news about the American economy. Yeah, I mean, every time in history when rates start to be cut, that's when we go into a recession. But does that affect Bitcoin? Now, I'm not sure how badly it will affect altcoins, but does that really affect Bitcoin, or is Bitcoin the safe haven that we've thought it has been for about 5 years, 5-6 years? I mean. Real talk though, if the short is opened at 62,900 at too much risk of a bounce, should I close? Well, if you opened at 62,900, you open the short at exactly the point of support. You want to open shorts at resistance, not support. Don't open shorts at support, because that's what everyone does. And that's why the market starts to flip, right? From the support, you can see on the daily, we've wicked all the way down to 62.4, and now we've pushed all the way back up, 63,200. This is volatility now to liquidate the traders who get in too late. They're not preempting the move. How we make money when we trade is we preempt the move, right? We see the market pushing up, we see the double top coming in, we see the resistance hit. We put our position in before the move happens, not after the move happens. Now that's not to say we can't fall and you can get lucky, but it will be more based on luck if we continue to fall and you have a short open than it is based on your technical analysis or your fundamental analysis. Cross margin backing, clockwork, been doing it over and over. Yeah, it works, man. Like, that's what I've done, buying longs when the market panics. And then you just have tight stop losses. If you lose it, you just open again as the market goes down. Crypto story time. What's causing the crash is the news of Mt. Gox, plus the panic that creates in the market, plus stop losses being hit, liquidations happening, which leads into more panic, and it's a perpetual cycle. Mt. Gox has already paid compensation to Bitcoin. Yeah, exactly. 17,000 creditors, which is more than 70%. So that's what we have. We have 2 billion left in the wallet. Look, guys, if you are new to the channel, new to the live, there's $2 billion left in Mt. Gox. We had 9 billion, and that has fallen off a cliff. So this is actually very good news, because we had Germany selling, And this is it. This really was the final frontier of what everyone's scared of all the selling, right? Buy Solana now or wait. Depends on what if you want to leverage buy it and you've checked out the TA and it works for you, then yeah, buy it. I've opened a position, but it could hit my stop loss. I don't mind. Money I can afford to lose. It's not a crash. I think it's a crash. Do you answer trade questions? Ants Hill. Yes, we answer trade questions. I do trades. I open them. We talk about them. All of that good stuff. Bottom will be soon. Top will be at 679k. Hobby analyst. Nice. You think that's the permanent top, or you think there's going to be more, or is that the short term? What do you reckon? I actually agree that I think the top is going to be lower than people expect. However, I do think we're going above 100k. Do you think ETH will go under 3k? I want to buy more. I opened my ETH position at 2,950 or something, so it could go down lower. Are we boarding?
B7.
Is it 5?
311, 310 is boarding.
Oh, I'm boarding. I thought we were boarding at 3:30. Sorry. All right, guys, thank you for checking in. I appreciate all of you. If you can do me a favor, smash the like button. And when this live goes onto the channel, if you could just go over there and leave me a comment, that would be awesome, because it will really help boost the engagement and let me know that you guys like these lives. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you want to come and join me, see my trades, the link to the Patreon is down there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.